Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do question number 10 from the August 2024 Regents exam, Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, they've given us a table and they want to know the average rate of change in dollars per book between 100 and 350 books sold. Now, normally when you see a table, I tell you you should use a spreadsheet and just enter the data and come up with the equation. In this case, when you're trying to find the average rate of change, which is nothing more than the slope, you only use two of the pieces of data. So we're going to use the ones that they said 100. So we're going to use that. And we're going to use 350. We're going to use that. We don't want to use this one, these two. We just want to use those two. Now, slope. By now, you guys should know the slope formula. So it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is the y value. This is the x value. So I did it here on the calculator. Now, one of the things I want you to understand, if you look at the answer choices, everything is in decimals. So if you want your answer to be in decimals, then you have to put a decimal in there. So when I first did this, I did y2 minus y1, so 425 minus 50, those are the y values, the difference of the y values. On the bottom, I did 350 minus 100, the difference of the x values, and I got 3 over 2. Now, some of you will look at that and go, oh, that's $1.50, but some of you will look at that and go, that's 3 over 2, and you don't know what the decimal equivalent is. So if you don't know the decimal equivalent, if you want the decimal equivalent, you just copy this, and any one of these numbers, 425, 50, 350, 100, any of them, if you put a decimal anywhere at the end of any one of these numbers, it's telling the calculator, hey, I don't want a fraction, I want a decimal. And you'll see the decimal is 1.5. So the answer for this question is 1.5. So it's question 3 or choice 3. Now, another way that you could do this, you could just take those two pieces of data, the books 150, 350, 425, and then create the equation. As you notice, the slope, again, the slope or the average rate of change, or another name for it is common difference. All of those are the same. Slope is the same thing as common difference, which is the same thing as average rate of change. All of those are equivalent. You can see it's $1.50 and the y-intercept is a negative 100. We don't care about that. This is what we need. We're done with this question. Maybe I've done too much here, but I just wanted to show you the options that you have with your calculator available to you. So what am I going to do? I'm going to end this and post.